again, it's me, Teacher Jane, and let's continue our topic for today in math. It's about ordering numbers, alright? So before we go to that, let me give you a quick review again with comparing, alright? So our comparison symbol, we have this sign means equal, is equal to, alright? And this sign means not equal or unequal, not equal to, alright? And this sign, what does it mean? This sign is greater than, alright? Greater than, bigger than, or more than. And this sign means is smaller than, or we could say less than, right? Okay. So in your textbook, page 9, we are going to fill in the blanks or the boxes using the comparison symbol, alright? Which are, what sign is this? Greater than. And this sign means is smaller than. Okay? We use this two signs. Okay? So in letter A, number one practice, letter A. What do you think is the correct sign? What do you think? It is smaller than. Okay? Where is it smaller? Where is smaller? Right there. Okay? So please write the smaller sign in the box. Okay? So this sign is smaller than. Okay? That's for letter A, smaller than. Let me write down here. Okay? So for letter A, our sign is smaller than. Alright? So please write down there. Letter B, for letter B, can you please tell me what is the correct sign? Is it greater than, or smaller than? What do you think? Open the mouth to the bigger number. Which is bigger? 2 or 7? Of course, 7. So our sign is smaller. Okay? So again, is smaller than. Alright? C. Letter C. Which sign? Is it greater than or smaller than? 8 and 5. Of course, 8 is greater. Right? So letter C is greater. Greater than sign. Alright. D. Letter D. Can you please compare 83 and 23? Or 8 and 2, which is greater? Of course, 8. Open the mouth to the bigger number. Okay? So D is greater. Right? Greater than. E. In letter E, you see the same numbers in 10,000s and thousands place. 25 and 25. What's next? Proceed with the next place value, which is 1,000. Okay? I mean hundreds. Sorry. Hundreds. 8 and 7. Of course, greater than. Right? So in letter E, greater than. Right? F. In letter F, again the same. Same digits. Right? 0, compare 0 now and 5. 0 and 5. So what is our sign? Is smaller than, right? So in letter F, letter G. Okay, you compare 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 is smaller. Okay, we wanna eat 46. We wanna eat 4. Okay, so that is, in letter G is smaller than sign. Okay, is smaller than. Alright, H. 46 and 46, they are the same. 2 and 2, the same again. 3 and 3, the same. Now, proceed with the ones. 8 and 5. What do you think? Alright? Yeah, greater than sign. Okay? That's greater than. You open the mouth to the bigger number. Alright? Okay. Next. For our today's topic, it's about ordering numbers. Okay? So what does it mean, ordering numbers? Ordering numbers, do you remember? Ordering numbers meaning to say, we are going to put the numbers in the right order, isn't it? Putting the numbers to their right order, in the right order, okay? Not, when we say order, it doesn't mean like when you go to the restaurant and order food. No, it's not like that, okay? Can I order French fries, please? It's not like that, okay? So ordering numbers, alright? So we have here our new words. Actually, this is not already new for you because we've done this in the previous level, okay? So we have the word ascending. Ascending. Ascending, and the opposite is descending. Alright? Okay? Everybody? Ordering numbers. Again, let me repeat. When we order numbers, we put or we place the numbers in their correct order. Okay? Alright. So, ascending. Ascending. Okay. Descending. Descending. Alright, what does it mean? Ascending. Ascending, just like when you go up, okay? Using the stairs, okay? When we go up, we are ascending, alright? So that means ascending is going up, order, we start from the smallest. Okay? So from the smallest number to the biggest number. Okay? Ascending, smallest number going to the biggest number. Okay? So here in descending, we start at the smallest wheel. We start with the biggest. Okay? Descending, we start with the biggest number going to the smallest number. Okay? So here in ascending, remember the numbers are getting bigger and bigger and bigger. In descending, the numbers are getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Alright? Okay. Arrange the numbers in order starting with the greatest. Now, from these three numbers, which number do you think is the greatest? Both of these have 5 digits. Okay? What should we do is compare the 10,000s. Just like in comparing, isn't it? We always compare the largest place value, which is the 10,000s. That's 5 10,000s, 4 10,000s, 5 10,000s. So these two numbers have the same 10,000s place. Okay? 5 10,000s and 5 10,000s. Alright. So 4 10,000s is smaller than 5 10,000s, of course. So meaning to say, 47,458 is the smallest. Why? You see, these two numbers, they have 5 10,000s and 5 10,000s. This has 4 10,000s. So that means 47,458 is the smallest, right? The smallest number. Okay, now, so now this is already out. Okay, out. Now we compare these two. Right? 52,148, 55,463. Okay. Compare the thousands because 10,000s, 5 10,000s, 5 10,000s the same. Okay. Now go to the thousand. Okay. Compare the thousands. We have here 2,000s. Right? You see? 2,000s and 5,000s. Alright? 5,000s is greater than 2,000. Right? Of course, 5 is greater than 2. Okay? So, 55,463 is greater than 52,148. So, meaning to say, 55,463 is the greatest. Alright? So this number is the greatest. This number is the smallest. Now we are ready to arrange the numbers in ascending. Okay? You remember ascending, going up. Okay? We start with the smallest number. Again, which is the smallest here? So here, from descending, I should say, from the greatest to the smallest. Okay? So the greatest number is 55,463. Going to the smallest, 47,450. So this number is the second biggest or greatest. Alright? So this is the arrangement in descending order. Alright? Next, what about in ascending? We have here 4 numbers. Okay? Ascending, we start with the smallest number. Alright? So look, compare the number of digits in each number. Alright? Compare the number of digits. This has how many digits? 4. These two have 5 digits. This has 3 digits. Alright? number from this. Alright? Now, let's take a look at this. 2,462 has 4 digits. Yeah, 4 digits. And these two have 5 digits. Okay, so what does it mean? Alright, so 2,462 is the smallest among the 3. Okay? Except this. This is the smallest among these 3. Alright? Yeah. Alright. Now, let's compare the two numbers. The rest of the two numbers. Compare the 10,000s. Again, we have here 3 and 3, the same. Go to the thousands. 2 and 6. Okay? 2 and 6. So, meaning to say 2,000s is smaller than 6,000s. Alright? So, 36,785 is the greatest. Alright? So, this is the greatest number. Now, let's arrange. In ascending order, we start with the smallest, going to the greatest number. Which is the smallest again? 658. Remember, when we arrange in ascending, the numbers are getting bigger and bigger to the biggest or greatest number. Okay? Smallest, 658. Next, it's going up, getting bigger, 2,462. Next is 32,458. And the greatest number, 36,785. Okay, that is in ascending order. Okay, another example. Arrange these numbers in descending. Okay, you see, descending, going down. We start with the biggest or greatest number to the smallest number. Alright? So let's see how many numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 numbers. Alright. Now, again, compare the number of digits. That is the first step. Okay? Yeah, all of them. You see, all of them have 5 digits. Alright? So let's move on to the next step. Compare the 10,000s. Okay? Compare the 10,000s. You see, 4 10,000s is the smallest. Okay? So this is the smallest number. Alright? Smallest. Alright, so this already out. Now, compare 7 10,000s here. 7 10,000s so far is the greatest. You see, 6, that is 6, and that is 6. 7 is the greatest. So that means 72,402 is the greatest. Alright? So these two are out. These two, they're out. Now compare the 3 numbers. Alright? Let's compare. Alright. Compare the thousands of these 3 numbers. Okay? So what are the thousands? 2,000, 8,000, 2,000. So these have the same thousands place, 2,000. So 8,000 is the greatest. 8,000 is greater than 2,000, of course. So meaning to say, 68,145 is the greatest among the 3 numbers. Alright? Now, so this is already out. Okay? Compare these two. The 2 numbers left, 62, 259, 62,356. Okay? So they have the same thousands. Compare the hundreds. Okay? Compare the hundreds. 200s is smaller than 300s. Alright? So that means 62,259 is smaller than 62,356. Now, let's arrange. arranged in descending order. So in descending, again, start with the greatest to the smallest. Alright, so this is the arrangement in descending order. 72,402 is the greatest, and 43,268 is the smallest. Okay, let me give you one example before we end, before I give you the workbook. Okay, so arrange. Let's take letter A from number 1, ascending. Alright, so here in letter A, arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending, you see this? Ascending is going up. Alright, let's go up. Alright, number 1, letter A. So ascending, okay, going up. Which is the smallest number here? Which is the smallest? What do you think is the smallest? This one, right? So 5,785, that is the smallest. So you write it down first. Write down here the first number. Okay, this is out. Next, getting bigger. 57 or 35? 35,000. The next number should be 35,845. Okay? And the greatest number is 57,314. Right? So this is in ascending order, going up from the smallest to the greatest. Okay? Alright. Let's take one example of descending. Here. Number 2, letter A. Okay? Number 2, letter A. Arrange these numbers in descending order. Remember, descending, going down. Okay? So we start with the greatest number to the smallest number, descending. Alright. So here, which number here is the biggest or the greatest? Is it this one, or that one? This one? Yeah, 39,000 is the greatest number. 39,245 is the greatest. Next to it, we are going down. The numbers are getting smaller. So that is the next one. 36. Okay? Please write down your answer. 36,187. Okay? And which is the smallest number here? Of course, 5,145. Alright. So in number 2, letter A, in descending order, okay, from the greatest to the smallest. Okay? In letter A, from the smallest to the greatest. That is ascending. Okay. So for your activity, for this lesson, please answer your workbook in page 9. Page 9, letter LM. Okay? Letter LM. Please, in letter L, arrange the numbers in ascending. Okay? Remember, ascending up, going up. Right? Okay? That is your tip. Up. the. We need to say down. Okay, the letter D. Okay, going down. Right? So arrange these numbers in descending order. Okay? And make sure when you write your numbers, insert your commas. Alright? Insert your commas and write your numbers correctly and properly. Alright? Okay, so that's all for our Math 3 lesson for today. And hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.